Welcome back, my dear learners. I hope the earlier sessions were very much useful to you. Now I begin this session with the introduction of the previous session. We explored how the internet has transformed product and price. Today, we complete the digital marketing mix by covering place promotion and also the other three service marketing piece like people, process, and physical evidence. These five segments or the five elements together will complete the 7 piece framework of service marketing and are particularly critical for understanding how digital businesses deliver value to customers. This will help you to identify the 7 P's of marketing. And let's begin this with place first. Arguably, the element or the internet had the most profound structural impact. The place element is nothing but the digital distribution element. Place element, it is a digital distribution element. In the traditional marketing, place refers to the distributions, how you people get your product from the manufacturers to the customers. In the digital marketing, the place is about where and how customers can access the products through the internet or their digital mobiles and the laptops or the desktop and purchase their products or avail their services online. This is what the place element here in digital marketing. Evans and Rester, they identified three key aspects of competitive advantage in digital distributions. That's called as the reach, the richness, and also the affiliation. Let me explain to you one by one. What is meant by reach? Reach refers to how many customers you are reaching or you can connect with and with your product website or through your links and how many products you can offer to them. Both the things put together, we call it as the reach. The internet dramatically increases reach. The company that previously sold only in Tamil Nadu can now sell it to the global customers. That is across India and across the globe. The suppliers, the many branded suppliers in the popular, they benefit enormously from search engine marketing, which connects the global customers. And they, even though they are a very small business and they are highly interested with the global audience. I can say the resinauts are the examples. People from various places, they are sending their memorable items and they are making the Instagram people in different area to make resin arts and they will preserve the things. This is even from a person from London is sending his wedding garland and make it in the resin art who is the maker is living in Tanjore district. And the global audiences are they are very much need of specialized products like Tanjore paintings, and this is what we call it as the reach now. And what is the richness refers to? Richness refers to the depth of information which we are providing to the collected to the customers when it is collected from a customer or when you are collected from the site or from the competitors. What is the depth of information we are providing to them? The physical store can give limited product information, like the a salesperson can only explain what he knows it, whereas an online store can provide detailed specifications, even the usage tutorials, the high definition or high resolution of a computer specifications, technical details through their images, 360-degree views, through their tutorial videos, through their customer reviews, comparison tools, everything. how to use videos, and personalized recommendations. These are all, we call it as the richness which is created for a digital market. This richness of information helps the customers to make their purchase better, and make their purchasing decisions better, and improves the conversion rate. In the offline shops, only the salesperson who is capable of canvassing the customer can sell the products. Whereas the online platforms, if it is showing its 3D animations, about the product dimensions, more specifications in detail, the usage videos, they can attract the customers just like that they will buy it. Even through influencers, the people may be buying it. And the affiliation refers to whose interest the selling organizations represents. The customers or the suppliers, Evans and Wrestlers argues that successful online retailers will reward customers who provide rich information about their own preferences and comparative shopping needs. And the more customer centric you are, the more loyal and trusting customers you will get it. And also, your site will be trusted, your products will be trusted, and they will give positive feedbacks, positive word of mouth to you. This internet has also introduced three important channel structure phenomena that every digital marketer needs to understand. Number one is the disintermediation and reintermediation, and also the countermediation. What is disintermediation means? It is removing the middleman from the distribution chain to the customer. Dell famously sold computers directly to customers online. They are bypassing the retailers and distributors completely. They reach the customers directly. You can also, I give you an example, you can customize your products, and distributors entirely they avoided it. This gave Dell a cost advantage and also the customer a distinct experience, and they had direct relationship with the customers also. At Tesla, you can sell the cars directly through their website and showrooms without franchised dealers. This is, we call it as disintermediation. What is reintermediation? This is the flip side. The internet creates entirely new types of intermediaries. Google is an intermediary between the searches and the websites. This is the booking.coms is one of intermediary between the travelers and the hotels. Amazon is the intermediary between the buyers and the sellers. And these are all new digital intermediaries, often have enormous power because they control the access to customers. Then the next is the countermediation. It is established brands fight back by creating or acquiring their own intermediaries. A group of European airlines, for example, joined forces to create Popedo, their own travel booking platforms, and to counter the power of interdependent states like lastminute.com. Here, I want to ask you a basic question. Can you think of any industry where this disintermediation is happening in India right now, where a brand or a service provider is bypassing the traditional distribution channels to reach customers directly online? This is all possible. You have to work in this manner. I can give you a clue also. Farmers now started selling their products directly on apps. That is the ITC's, the Chopal. These type of privileges only the digital platforms are providing it. Let me go to the promotion element. What are the promotion elements? What we are talking about is the it involves communicating with the customers to inform them about the products and assist them in buying decisions. I gave you a lot of examples about the customer channel structures, disintermediation, reintermediation, countermediation. Then the syndication, I just forget about it. What is this syndication? This content of the product distributions, the third party, the RSS, API, etc. And virtual organizations like AT-enabled virtual organizations, outsourced structures are also available. Here the channel conflicts also will be available. Manufacturers selling direct conflicts with their partners, and these type of multi-channel strategy is creating lots and lots of new structural changes in the digital marketing era. And only internet can serve as a communication, distribution, and direct sale combination. Manufacturers nowadays are very profitable because of these type of internet digital platforms. Then I was talking about a little bit about the promotion element. The promotion involves the communications about the information which they are having it to reach the customers, to inform the customers about their products and assist them in taking their buying decisions. The internet has not replaced any traditional promotion methods. You have to remember this. It is not the replacement. The digital platform is not the replacement. It extends and amplifies it with the new tools, new techniques, and new with the new energetic capabilities. There are three important investment decisions you must make about your own online promotion strategy. The first decision is about the balance between the creation, the site creation, and the maintenance, and also the site promotion. The common mistake usually what we will be doing while you are creating or investing it is that heavily it is building a beautiful website, and then they have no budget to promote it. They will build the website in such a way that everybody, as soon as coming into that, they will be attracted by that, but they left out, they are not promoting it. It always create a loss to the company. I always use this analogy. Building a beautiful shop in a deserted street is pointless, meaningless, and where nobody will be coming there. Why you want to keep a shop with indoor decorations, lightings, these, that, and all? You need both the shop and as well as the footfall. That your digital marketing plan also must allocate sufficient budget for promotion strategies. And the second decision is about online versus offline promotions. For many business, offline promotion still exceeds online in terms of budget allocation. The TV, the print media, the outdoor media still drive a significant brand awareness that you cannot deny it. Just because I'm doing Google ads, I should not stop the TV ads. The big brands like Pepsi, Coke are still doing the same thing. The ideal is that which is coordinating strategy where offline media drives people to digital platforms, and digital platforms nurture them towards the conversion. From the offline, they have to get the awareness and they have to come to online. They have to get the information what they saw in the TV, and they have to go to the site and they have to enable the site, and they access the products, look into the products in different views. They should know the specifications, and then they have to take a decision. And this is what the decision making process helping by the promotion strategies. So the third decision is about how to split your online promotion budget across different techniques. How much on search engine advertising? How much I have to spend on social media advertising? How much I have to spend on digital ads? How much I have to do it for email marketing? How I can do online PR works? And how I have to choose my influencer marketing. There is no universal answer for that. It depends upon your own discrepancy. It also depends entirely on your objectives, your personas, and also about the industry where you are doing your productions. The reminder techniques in online promotions is also an important character. Sending direct emails with reminders of your own site values and maintaining the frequent content, updating the reasons why you are returning them, and using retargeting the ads to re-engage the customers, visitors who did not convert on to their first site. When they are visiting your site first time, you can collect data, and afterwards so you will be just like that, sending reminders through emails, messages, collecting information about them, giving them personalized recommendations. This is what we are doing it in the promotion elements. The three key investment decisions which we are focusing about: site promotions, online versus offline promotions, and then within online, how we are going to promote, either through display or PR, or you're doing affiliates, and what about the reminder strategies we are going to follow, and what about the direct mail concepts, personalizing the mails. Everything matters in the promotion, that you have to plan also accordingly. Then about the online customer service. What is this online customer service? Delivering the products or the services to the customers. What are all the services the online or the digital platforms are doing as a service to the people and delivering the online service? Now let's move to the three different service elements, beginning with the people. The people element of the marketing mix refers to how an organization staff interact with the customers during and after the purchase process. In a digital context, it means that how your brand interacts with the customers through all your online touch points. In the offline, your staff is responsible to make the customers talk to them. Whereas in the online, your entire site or the digital content, how it is going to approach the customer, what your brands are going to interact. Managing the online customer service requires always a structured approach. Just like the offline, the owner will be available, the person, those who are coming as a customer may be knowing to the owner, and if owner smiles at him, that is more than enough for a customer to purchase. But it is not at all possible in case of online, because managing online customer service requires a structured format. I told you there are 5 steps to effective digital customer service engagement. So that is what I'm showing it here in this slide. You can witness it through my slide. The first one is about how customers find or initiate the support. Make it easy. Use clear statements and consistent labels like contact us, we are here to support, the support helpline, and provide FAQs also. FAQ sections, frequently asked questions sections, always make the customers feel free to ask questions, and they will directly go to identify the question answer sessions, and they will decide immediately what whether they can come to your site to purchase it or not. And diagnostic tools, which is also helping the customers to serve better. That is customer self service before they need to contact you. I can here give an example. IKEA Ask Anna chatbot. Ask Anna chatbot. IKEA's very important concept, chatbot. An avatar that always answer your common questions, which is reducing the inbound inquiries by handling thousands of routine queries automatically. This is one of the strategy every marketer, digital marketer should follow. The second step is that receive and acknowledge the customer. That is, when a customer sends a query, immediately please send an automated acknowledgement that confirms the receipt of their messages and automate the acknowledgement and confirms the receipts and set expectations about the response time. Shortly we will contact you. We have received your message and we will respond within 24 hours, within 18 hours, within 2 hours. This is a simple step, significantly reduces the customer anxiety. This is a second step, you have to do it. And what is the third step? Third step is routine. The use automated workflow tools to route the query to the right team. You have to clearly route out who should answer what type of question. Person based on the type of query you have to identify in this stage, especially when you are talking about stage one, how customers find you. Based on those type of customers, you have to now routed it, whether it is a B2B business customer or he is a B2C customer or B2G customer, what type of customer you identified in the first step, and how they are contacting you. Based on their contact, you can just route that person to that particular department. And step 4 is comprising or composing of response. The best practice is to maintain a library of pre-prepared responses, templates we call it as. For a common query types, you prepare a template and send it to the people and appoint a personalized agents. These templates rather than writing responses from scratch. Just add the name, regards and their query or this support. You can just respond, just like acknowledgement mail which I was talking about, and the inquiry mails about the business dealings. You should have a templates, and this will be very much added advantage to the digital marketer. The best practice is to maintain the pre-prepared template libraries. If you started preparing a template and you can have a question that how many number of templates I should keep it. No, it is all now AI generated content, so you can just create contents like that. And the next step is the follow up actions. If the first response does not resolve the issue, proactively called the customer rather than engaging in endless email exchanges. If the first responder is not at all resolving the problem or the issue, you have to make a call. It is not going to become a big deal for you to make a call nowadays. So resolve it efficiently rather than just by using the continuous emails where the customer will never even open that. Use the follow-up mechanisms and create an opportunity to inform the customer about new products, new offers, and what all the steps you are taking it. Then and there you inform them. This is the final step, what we have to do it in the delivering of the service. Now I'm just summarizing this, the 5 stages in the customer service management process. The first stage is the customer defines support, that is supporting and the query, make content options easy to find, FAQs, chatbots like structure. Stage 2, receipt and acknowledgement. You have to create autoresponders to confirm the receipt of the mails immediately. And the third one is routing of email, automated routing of the email to the right team or to a right person at the right time. And the fourth stage is compose responses. You have to create a library of pre-prepared templates, personalized templates, use it to resolve their queries and issues. And also the last stage is the follow-up stage. You have to make a proactive call or chat with the customers in WhatsApp if email resolution takes too long to pacify the customers. The Ask Anna is one of the example which I gave it to you. It is always easy for you to call and solve the issues or chat in WhatsApp to solve the issues. So poor online customer service always cost 3x more to fix than preventing it as the first place. This is what they're saying usually. Coming back to the next concept is the physical evidence. What is this process and the physical evidence talks about? So process is nothing but the service delivery methods, and the physical evidence is the digital experience what you are giving to the customers. What is the process? Process is nothing but methods companies use to achieve all marketing functions. That is what the process. Process is the element which refers to the methods or the procedures companies use to achieve marketing functions. The digital marketing includes the procedures for customer service and order fulfillment, and also complaint handling mechanisms or the procedures for grievance handling. Overall structure of how digital marketing activities are executed should have a methodology. So that methodology is, we call it as the service delivery methodology. And this is the key strategic decision making point. The process element is your customer contact strategy. There are two basic models in that. The first is the customer preferred channel model. Some customers want to talk to you in the WhatsApp, where you let customers choose how they want to contact with you. Some customers, they don't want to share their personal number. They want to only contact you through messenger or through mails. Sometimes you have to get the phone numbers, email IDs, or sometimes they want live chat or through social media, whatever may be the model. You should make a process in such a way or the procedure in such a way to resolve the consumer queries. And this model maximizes customer satisfaction. This is the ultimate aim of all business, but can be expensive. Sometimes it is very expensive because phone support costs significantly more than the digital support. Sending an email and calling from the telecalling centers or toll-free numbers is cost more to the company. But don't think about that. You should satisfy the customer. That customer will create a good feedback for you, and he will also spread word of mouth and social media post. You have to consider those as a benefit out of this. The second is the company preferred channel or the company preferred model, where the company is very convenient. You have to guide your customers toward your most cost efficient contact channels. Easy Jet Airways. Jet Airways always have a grievance. There you can go there, and online support will be available. Any queries, live chat, you can do it. For example, actively encourages customers to use online self service rather than calling the contact center. The incentive might be a quicker resolution for a simpler user experience online. Live chat has emerged now as a enormously valuable bridge between the two models. And live chat through chatbots, it provides immediate answers to the queries of the customers. They want to through either through phone calls or closer to the cost through emails, whatever may be the interaction. Many brands like HDFC Banks, Nika, Amazon use live chat extensively for both customer service as well as assisting their sales. Finally, the physical evidence part we have to see. What is this physical evidence in the case of traditional service marketing? Physical evidence refers to the tangible elements of the service environment. What is this tangible environment? The cleanliness of a restaurant, the design of a bench, Design of the bank branch. Usually when you're going to a restaurant, one time you are looking into the restaurant, the style will not be same in the next time when you are seeing the restaurant. They will make some changes, colors or the ambience or sometimes the mm, look of the restaurants, etc. In the digital world, the physical evidence is nothing but the customer's experience of your website. Its design, ease of navigations, user friendliness, loading speed, and also the overall professionalism what you had shown in your website or in your online platforms. Think about it in this way. When you land on a poorly designed or a slow loading website, your immediate reaction is distrust. You question whether the brand is legitimate, whether this brand is reputed. Conversely, the beautifully designed or the fast loading or easy to navigate website creates always a trust and immediate sense of confidence over the website and the brand, and also it will create a credibility. This is the digital physical evidence at work. The key metrics for digital physical evidence include page loading time and every extra second of the loading time, which creates conversations by the customer. If suppose he feels very happy, then it will convert your sales by 7%. This is what the data say. And site availability and uptime will actually improve your sales also. Mobile responsiveness, likewise, mobile speed, mobile view, and also the usability scores from tools like Google Lighthouse or Hotstar. The question is here, think of a website you have visited recently and that had a poor user experience. What specifically made it frustrating? Only by overloading. Whenever we are going to any of the government sites, often because of the heavy traffic, we can feel that why the government sites are very low. What is the server problem? Always it is coming as server loading, loading, loading. What is happening? Actually, we get frustrated. Other updates or driving license or tax payment, everything. And how do you think the that as a poor experience, how it has affected your perception about the brand, especially the government? That's what we started telling, that the government websites are not working, this, that, and we are spreading to everybody. So the metrics is nothing but the response time, the resolutions, what it is happening, the resolution time, the satisfaction ratings, and also the cost per contact. The live chats, that's what I was recommending. If you started doing the live chats, which is increasingly popular, both service as well as assisted sales. These type of live chats usually will increase the customer trust. Trust signals like SSL certificates, payment badges, reviews, return policies, that is equal to digital physical evidence. A by B test, A by B test, which is created for your web experience continuously to improve the physical evidence. Physical evidence is nothing but your tangible expression of the product and how it is purchased. Online refers to the customer experience of the company through its website. So the dimensions we already studied about the physical process as well as the evidence point of it. The next one is the 7 P's online quick reference summary. With this, I think that I can just give you what are all the tips we have to improve and how we have to, as a new starter or a new digital marketer, how we have to think about all these concepts and inculcate in our business. Let me close the session with the complete 7 P's digital marketing and summary of this with a quick response. The products are core product plus extended product, and the internet enables the digital versions like mass customization and building of bundling of products and accelerated the new product development. When you are coming to the pricing strategies, the transparency, the downward pressure, the dynamic pricing strategies like differential pricing and aggregators reshape pricing strategy entirely. And the place where the reach plus richness plus affiliation. This is the disintermediation, re-intermediation, and then the counter-intermediation, also the virtual organizations are the key phenomena of the place. Talking about the promotion, people and the process, and also the physical environment. In terms of people, the five stage we studied, that is the five stages, the online customer services, chatbots and avatars, customer contacting strategies we discussed. And in the process, we were talking about customers preferred versus the company preferred contact channels like WhatsApp or the emails or through social media, live chat, or effective bridge, what they are having it as a mechanism for their operational efficiency metrics. Then physical evidence, the website experience, the design, the speed, usability, trust signals as the digital equivalent of a physical service environment. I can just touch upon all these things in my lecture today. Anyway, the key takeaways are place online, that is the reach plus richness. That is what your key takeaway, plus affiliation, disintermediation, and reintermediation, which is reshaping the distributions. And channel conflicts must be managed when going direct online, and multi channel strategy is also the solution for that. When we are talking about the promotion, you have to talk about the budget, and the balance is the site creation, the site promotion, online versus offline comparisons, and different type of choosing up of digital channels with your available budget. In the people context, the five stage online customer service process, chatbots and avatars, which is reducing your service cost. Physical evidence online is equal to website UX, speed, and then trust, signals, and also the overall digital experiences. This is what in our next session we will explore digital consumers and online communities, understanding overall your digital consumers and why the communities matter a lot for a digital marketer, and also in this digital age, and how to build and participate in the communities effectively. That is what we are going to see. And before coming to the class, to the next session, please prepare, go and see all the Facebook communities, the Reddit groups, and also the brand forums. Prepare, come prepare, and see about what is happening inside. Then your next session will be useful for you. And come with the preparation, background study, you have to make it, then come to the class. Thank you very much for joining and doing the course along with me, the digital and social media marketing. Thank you.